guys, back to Nijfue. Today we're gonna, have another episode of Cooking with Nijfue. It's been a while since we did it, and yeah. So today we're making a chili cheese toast in my newest machine. A oven. It's an oven. So we're making it in an oven, and for that, for making a chili cheese toast, we need bread. We need cheese, of course, because chili cheese toast. We need arrabbiata sauce, the same sauce that goes in pizza pasta sauce, and oregano. If you want, you can add chili flakes. I'm not a spicy type guy. No, I don't eat spicy. Not that much spicy. Yeah. So if you want, you can even add oregano also. So first, we're gonna take one slice of bread. Actually, yes, we're gonna take one slice of bread. This is one slice of bread. I recommend brown bread because it's healthier. I eat brown bread personally. Then you gotta take this. Come on, open. This is the Fun Foods pizza pasta sauce by Dr. Otaker. I like the products a lot, so that's why I use Dr. Otaker a lot. So this gives the spice in it, and also in the following, once we make it, we are going to, it's gonna be real spicy. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. So now we gonna get my mic's always coming in there. So you gotta spread the you need to spread the sauce, the pizza pasta sauce on the bread, and I know I'm looking down because I'm spreading it on the bread, and yeah, almost done. If you want a lot of spicy, you have to just focus on putting it in the corners as well. And then once you're done with the whole spreading it on the whole bread, you want to take one more layer and just spread it on where it wasn't where you couldn't spread properly, like places where the bread just looks bland. So you might want to do that because you get the most taste. And alright, do there, about. And then this is how you should spread. This looks a lot red, but I promise I'll not put that much. The second step to this is to add cheese. Now I use Amul cheese. Amul. I call it Amul in Indian accent, but this is Amul in American accent. So I don't know if there's American accent that speak Amul, but yeah, you gotta put one slice of cheese. And you are thinking, Ishan, why are you using sliced cheese? Well, because it's easier to make, and this is like short recipes. We're already 3 minutes and 26 seconds into the video, and we're doing the second step. And in about 15 or 10 seconds, the second step will also get over. We are done. There are 5 steps to this, 5 to 6 steps. So you just need to place your cheese like this. Now for a twist. You need to apply pizza pasta sauce again. So we're gonna apply pizza pasta sauce, not lightly, but heavily. We're gonna do it a lot of it. So then the spiciness comes, and also it melts the pizza pasta sauce. Looks real nice on the this. I know you might be thinking, bro, how can you spread it with cheese? Yeah, it's a little tough. I'm trying to. You need a lot, but since I don't like that much spicy, I'm just gonna spread it all around it. But you can still see the cheese. So if you're not a spicy type guy, you don't like spicy, you can just add a little bit. But this step is really necessary. So I've added this much of sauce on the cheese. So it's empty, but yeah. Next is step number 4, which is adding the oregano and or chili flakes also. You can do both. I'm gonna add oregano just for some more spicy. Alrighty. So this is how you add oregano on your chili cheese toast. This is my way of making a chili cheese toast. I just came up with the recipe. This is how you add it. Now the next step is basically putting this in the oven. So you can put it in a microwave. You just need to keep it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and in an oven you can keep it for 5 minutes at about 150 degrees and toast it. Toast it, grill it, bake it, whatever you want to do. I toast it because in my oven, when I put it on the toast, both up this rods which up and down, turn on. So they heat. So the bread becomes brown from underneath, and also the cheese melts. So I'm gonna grill it because I just want the top. So yeah, I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes until I can cook this there. So yeah. So I'm turning on the oven right now. I know you can hear some noises from outside because the balcony is open. But we are gonna put our chili cheese toast on it. So I'm using an oven today because it's a new device that I've got, and I always use every damn day because I'm in love with it. So we're gonna use this kind of tray to place the chili cheese toast on this, and we're gonna set it to 150 degrees. We're gonna do it to grill, and we put it for 5 minutes. So I'm not gonna start the timer now until I can put it on top. So the way you put it on top is basically you hold it from side to like this. Let me just move out my hands. Good job. And that's the easiest way out. Then you take your grill and you put it in the middle section of your oven. So I'm using an oven. I'm using a Bajaj 2800 PMC SS. That's what I'm using. The grill / oven I'm using today. So yeah, 5 minutes on the oven. 5 minutes later, we'll come and see how it's done. I had a good look at it and it's done, so it's time to remove it from the oven. So I got it from the oven, and this is how it looks like. We're gonna cut it into 4 pieces. Okay, so you might be thinking, why hasn't the cheese melted? Well, that's what's supposed to happen. You keep it 5 minutes in the oven, it is not supposed to melt. Whereas in a microwave, it literally it becomes bubbles. So yeah, we are gonna cut it, taste it, and I'm gonna give you my review on how I made it. Because this is the first time I'm ever making this. Yes, I'm not lying. The spicy hummus sauce, second time. The something else I think I made. I don't know what all I made, but the spicy hummus sauce was the second time that I made it. Once I made it in Chennai in the old office, so yeah, I was pretty hungry at that time. So that's why. So I am going to be cutting this into fine pieces. 4 fine pieces. Now, yeah, so yeah, give me a minute. Alright, so let's taste it and let me show you guys how it is. Let me tell you guys how it is. So cut it into triangles like this. Cheers. Too good. But I will still rate it a 9.5 out of 10. Because I should have added more spice. And great cheese. So, actually for the great cheese, I'll give it about 9. It was for a 9, not 9.5, but I'll give it a 9. So it's pretty nice for like a 9% out of 10 out of 100%. Understand. So next time when you make it, make sure you use a lot. But if you use grated cheese, you cannot put like the next layer. So I recommend you use mozzarella cheese. So grated cheese would have been better, but this is completely your choice. So. Too tasty. By God, too tasty. Mm. So yeah. Alright, so as I said, it was 9 out of 10. Uh, like slices is the best alternative, but like if you're a master chef, not like me, you're Gordon Ramsay level or Mickey Giovanni level, you can add pizza sauce on mozzarella cheese or grilled cheese. So, but if you're a guy like me who just wants to use it as a snack in the evening, you can use sliced cheese, put on top. It takes about 15 minutes to make because of the oven time, but it takes 5 minutes for less than 5 minutes actually. Less than 5 minutes for it to make on as raw. But if you put it in the microwave, your making time or baking time just comes like drastically low. So hope you guys enjoyed. If it is smashing them now, and make sure I show some bye. See you in the next and see you.